Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Happy Saturday and welcome to my Saturday morning makes with Jill Norwood. This is episode number 15 for me. So I'm going to start off with showing you what I used to make my first card. So I used these infinity dies from Hero Arts, and I'm going to show these for most of my projects. And then I used, on my first 3 cards, I used my kit from the Not Too Shabby shop. And the first card I used this Buzzy Bees, and I used this stamp right here, so stinking cute. And then I used these alphabet dies that came from a Crafter's Companion kit. And I used the Wink of Stella pen in the clear. And then I used, I got everything mixed up. Here it is. And then I used this 3D Texture Fade Sizzix die called Intertwine. It is so pretty. I love this embossing folder. And then I used some paper from the Busy Bees. I used this one right here in the corner. This also came in the kit. And I don't know if she still has the kit available or not. And then I used part of the sentiment from this set called Busy Bees, the same one, where it says Let's Be, and then I covered up the friends. So let me show you what I came up with. So here it is, and I actually got the design from one of her design team members, and I think it came out super cute. And I used my Copics to color up the bee, and then I used, oh, let me show you that. So I don't like using like the R20 for the cheeks and stuff. I like using chalks. So I used this Pebbles Classic Chalks. I always use my pink for the cheeks on everything. And then I just did this on the inside. And that was my first card. Whoops. And then for my second card, I used this Honeybee Stamps die set called Beehive Card, and it looks like this. And then I used the Honeybee Stamps Honeybee Hive stencils, and I used 2 of the stencils out of here, and this coordinates with this. And I got it on clearance a while back, so I don't know if you can find it anymore, maybe on eBay or something like that. And then I used, and now I can't find it. Where is it? Oh, here it is. I used this Shimmer Spritz by Imagine Crafts. And I used this set right here called, which one is this one? Insect Cuties. And I used this bee right here. And I also used this one right here, again, the Buzzy Bees, and I used this one right here. I used some Distress Oxides. I used Scattered Straw and Tea Dye. And this is what I came up with. I think it turned out so cute, and the doors open. And on the inside, I stuck in that little cutie. Okay, if I can get it open. Isn't that so cute? And then on the inside, I just put, hello, my friend. But I love how it turned out. So there was that one. And then my last one from this kit, I used this frame die by Bo Bunny, and it's called Portrait Frame Dies. I got this back in 2018. I also used this stamp set by the Not Too Shabby Shop called, I'm not sure the name of it. I don't see it. I know she still sells it in her shop. I think it's like Woodland Buddies or something. But I used this sign right here. Then I used the snails from this one right here. Oh, and I also used the hello from here. And I used some ephemera from the ephemera pack. And then I used the paper from this paper pack called Summer Flowers. That was also in the kit. And then I Copic colored, and then I used the Tim Holtz Distresser. And then I used my scoreboard to draw in the lines on that die to give it some added interest. And this is what I came up with. And I think it's so cute. And there's the inside. I love it. So that was it, all that I did for that kit. And then I used one of my magazine kits. I used this big gingerbread man, and then I used the little gingerbread man. And then I used the sentiment from here that says sprinkled with love. And I used my glitter dust and silver. And I used some Copic coloring. And the paper that I used was some free paper from one of the magazines. You just had to download it and print it. And this is what I came up with. See that glimmery? Oh, it's so pretty. And then I did the inside like that. And I think it turned out so cute. I love Gingis. So I hope y'all enjoyed all of my crafts. I love you guys. Have a happy Saturday. Bye.